Mr. Ashmafera has built Onpassive to help to realize his dream of uplifting humanity. He is not motivated by how much money he can make, but by how many people he can help. Onpassive, with the help of over 1,300,000 founders, who also are on board to help Mr. Ashmafera face a monumental task of reaching those who need help the most. There are millions, perhaps billions of people who don't have access to clean drinking water. That has been a major problem in many places on this planet. Waterborne diseases come from unclean, contaminated water. Because of not having clean water, people are exposed to diseases that wouldn't exist if there were facilities that could be built to help alleviate the terrible problem. Having to bathe in polluted rivers and use other unsanitary places is really sad. What is really sad are the children who are most affected. It takes resources being directed to these poor people to be able to help them. These things have caused Mr. Ashmafera and his family and founders untold pain. That is why Mr. Ashmafera's initial platform is called Onpassive, and Onpassive form, the perfect union. Onpassive is the unparalleled wealth distribution system ever devised. The wealth building of Onpassive has no limits. The genius behind the concept of Onpassive, Mr. Ashmafera, and his tech team have designed the best crowdfunding system ever. Why is this important? Because people need help. Onpassive is ready to help uplift humanity. It is not an accident that Onpassive was designed to help humanity. The designers of Onpassive wanted to show how much they love and care for people. Now they have something that will give them the help they need. Onpassive is a not-for-profit crowdfunding platform that doesn't charge even a penny when donors use Onpassive. The founders are at the forefront of this massive aid to help those in dire straits. How will founders be able to help? Onpassive's wealth-generating resources will be shared with its founders, and the founders will share their blessing with humanity. That will form this perfect union. With hearts and resources directed to helping people to be able to have clean drinking water and sanitary conditions, waterborne diseases will suffer a resounding defeat. That is the power of Onpassive. Thank you, Mr. Ashmafera and family and staff, for helping to uplift humanity.